In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android phone not turning on. But anyways, getting into it, an Android phone that's not turning on is usually stuck in a deep frozen state or has a battery that has fallen below the minimum voltage required to show a charging icon. So if your phone's on but the screen's black, a standard press of the power button isn't actually going to work. So what you're going to have to do is hold down the power button and the volume down button together like so, and then you've got to hold it for at least 20 to 30 seconds and don't let go until you feel a vibration or you see the manufacturer logo like Samsung, anything like that. And if the battery is completely dead, it can't even power the screen to show it's charging. So plug the phone into a wall outlet, not a computer or a car port, and use a good known cable like a high wattage 30 watt power block. Then once you go ahead and do that, wait 30 to 60 minutes. If you see a red light or a flickering battery icon, the phone is successfully charging from zero. Then just try the force restart method again, and then you should be good to go. And also, just check if there is any debris or anything like that in your charging port, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.